Good evening, everyone. It is February 15th, 2017. We're doing another personal box for Nick K in the YouTube stream. He purchased another personal box of 2015-16 Premier Hockey. So there's 3 boxes left out of this 5-box inner case. Nick is choosing the bottom box here, box 3. So let's get that, put that over there. So here it is, guys, Premier Hockey. Yeah, like I always say, guys, if you too would like a personal box, please email us at jaspyshockeyland@gmail.com. That way we can get a personal box list and prices for you. And then we can rip open a personal box if you decide to get one. So thank you, Nick. Appreciate it. And good luck. Like I always say in these videos, these could be autographed. So let's see. Not this time. You never know. One of these days I'm going to just pull one. I'm going to be like, whoa, it's autographed. So once again, I'm going to use this blank to cover up the hits. Alright, good luck, Nick. First one is a rookie premier jersey. That's Malcolm Subban. That's PK's younger brother for the Boston Bruins.
Unfortunately, no Bitcoin as well. We're not that fancy yet. We're not that into the future yet. We should, though. We discussed it.
Next one is Zachary Foucault, rookie premier. 126 of 299. There it is. Next one. Steve Yzerman. 107 of 299. It's a legend. That's a HOF right there.
I would love to do one more break before we call it a night. But you guys know what's
Next
on the
one
website. We've been talking about breaks all day. And I think at this point,
is a Joe Pavelski premier.
you guys know what the score is.
126 of 399.
Let's see what we can close out with. Oh, what up, Chris? So you guys are pinball road trip.
All right, let's start going to the hits, guys.
Are you going? That is so delightfully nerdy.
First one is a nice 3-color patch for the Anaheim Ducks. Although Nick, boo.
Are you gonna
That is a Nick Ritchie. That's a nice player right there. He's doing pretty well for the Anaheim Ducks this year. 30 of 375. Nice 3-color patch. And the auto for the Anaheim Ducks. It looks like we have a redemption, Nick. So I'll leave that last. We'll skip that. We'll do another one of these Premier Collections. Super Rookies. That is Shane Prince, 22 of 99.
I would encourage everybody to.
I forget, what number does Shane Prince wear? Does he wear 22? That could be a jersey number out of 99, man. Check that out. I don't remember what number. Oh, no, I think, is he number 10? Might be number 10, actually.
Yesterday was
Nice 3-color patch in there. Shane Prince for the Ottawa Senators.
tonight was super busy. I have.
And the last card before the redemption is a Premier Rookie auto, Stanislav Gali,
Every day. That's what makes it fun.
187 of
You
399
never know what's gonna happen one day. Now tomorrow could
for the
be,
Washington Capitals.
tomorrow could be quiet. You know what I mean? So you might be thinking, oh. I
And the
should watch
redemption,
that
Nick.
National Treasures
Let's
tonight, or
see
last night, because that's
who
when those
it
breaks
is.
people wanted to break. So my
So,
my argument would be, buy into the breaks now while it's a bit
it is
while there's a lot of people watching.
2015-16 NHL UD Premier Acetate Stars Autos patch.
Kind of get spots themselves.
Number to 49.
Start making
Wow, it's Evgeny Malkin. What a nice hit. Number to 49, Evgeny Malkin auto and the patch. That's a Penguins player right there, Nick, if you don't know. Evgeny Malkin. Superstar right there. Nice, Evgeny Malkin. Get that redeemed. What a nice hit right here.
We don't have a decision on taking Bitcoin. We haven't said yes or no on it.
Out of 49. And it's a Stars Autos patch, just like that Goudreau. But that's Evgeny Malkin. Sweet hit.
We haven't reached a point where it's so
Oh, nice. There you go, man. Yeah. So there's Evgeny Malkin redemption right there out of 49 patch auto. You got this right here. You got the Shane Prince patch auto as well out of 99. Nick Ritchie out of 375. And Subban. So there you go, man. Thanks for getting another personal box, Nick. Really appreciate it. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.